What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. Samsung is finally paying attention to the one thing that Apple has built for years, and that is ecosystem. Samsung doesn't make their own software like Apple, but what they do have is good relationship with Windows. Over the years, we have seen collaboration of Samsung with Microsoft, bringing a lot of new cool features, improving the connectivity of your Galaxy Android phone and a Windows PC machine. One of the best things that Samsung introduced with the Galaxy S20 lineup was Quick Share. Quick Share is like Airdrop for Galaxy devices. It allows you to transfer any file, whether it's a APK or music or pictures, to other Galaxy devices seamlessly. It's currently only available on Samsung devices, but now Samsung is working hard to bring this feature to Windows PC machines. With Quick Share on Windows, you'll have seamless connectivity and file sharing option from your Galaxy phone to your Windows machine, just like Apple has with its Mac and iPhone. Samsung does have something called Link to Windows, but it's not as seamless, so Quick Share is coming, and this will surely strengthen that ecosystem that Samsung is trying to build. Like I said, they don't have their own software, but the best thing that they can do right now is to work hand in hand and make their devices work better with other platforms like Windows, and I would even love to see these features coming to macOS, but it seems kinda unlikely considering how Apple guards its walled garden. So for a Mac, anything that will work seamlessly, it has to be iPhone. That's just how Apple works. But Samsung x Microsoft is getting to that almost same level. Also in the news, Samsung is currently testing out the under-display camera for the Galaxy Fold 3. According to very fresh rumors, it seems like Samsung is applying under-display camera on both outer and inner display. We don't know what the final outcome will be, but it's a positive news. We want to see under-display camera at least on one of the displays of the Galaxy Fold 3, and if you ask me, the internal display makes more sense compared to the outer screen, so I really wish Samsung pulls this off and bring the first ever under-screen foldable smartphone. Now Samsung is moving really fast with its One UI 3.1 software update. It is reportedly heading to a lot more Samsung devices including Galaxy A51, Galaxy S10, and I gotta say, they have moved really quick with this whole Android 11 update. I hope in the future Samsung keeps this up and we get to see faster updates than ever. And last but not the least, one of Samsung's arch rival, Huawei, is back in the game. They're going to be launching their P50 series. Once again, we're looking at 3 devices: P50, P50 Pro, and P50 Pro Plus. According to Twitter leaker Rodent, Huawei has apparently finalized the design of their P50 series and it's all in mass production. We're going to see Kirin 9000 chip on the P50 Pro and the P50 Pro Plus. As for the normal P50, it's going to have a new Kirin 9000E chip, which is going to be sort of a trimmed down version of the original flagship chip. We'll be seeing a brand new ultra-sensing camera, some new gaming capabilities, plus a lot more exciting stuff. You guys know Huawei always bring something exciting to the table, so I'm looking forward to that. And of course, I'm happy with the development that Samsung's doing. Fold 3 is pretty exciting as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.